In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Firebase authentication in React Native. So first is login. This is the login page and the register page. And sign up. So redirect to the index page. So if we refresh this, I think we have this user, and then we can log out. And also use the email. Okay. Also the protected roles. If user not log in, we throw user to the login and the register page. npx Expo start. Press I. Okay. Authentication. Sign in method. Email. Enable. Save. Auth. TSX. Import auth from Firebase. Yes. Okay. We use Auth from Firebase Auth and export the Auth. Save. Close. Import Auth and type context user loading login register logout and make a context provider and then use Auth. Use Auth. We use this context and inside we have user loading and use effect to set up the listener for the state change, and email login and email register and logout, and all this function from Firebase. And the return context provider, we give this. And also we need to wrap the entire tree. We use Go layout here. Is this root layout? Yes, root layout. So use auth from auth, user and loading. And if loading, we give loading. And we use protected roles to guard the user. The user may be null, so we boolean this user to write this way. And if we have user, we go tabs. If not user, we go login and register. And also we wrap the entire root layout. So next we need to create a register and login page for here. And go tabs, app, login the TSX, RNF, save, and app, register, TSX, RNF. So see, this is the register page. So register screen, and the next is style. For the register screen, it's email, password, and confirm password, and only a function handle register. So we use register. We use this email and password and await register from use auth, that from Firebase. So we register this and we await here to wait for this user state change. And we not use this rotor push because we use stack to push. So we got this listener in the context. And when the user state change, we use stack protected to push user to tabs. Otherwise, we push user to the login and the register if no user. So here, register, we save this. And for the UI part is very simple. It's like let's say just the input. Okay, and the next is login. Login is similar. So login is similar. It's email password input and login from use auth. So we handle login only this function. We handle login. We use the login function from use auth from Firebase, and await here. We no need this router replace or router push. So for UI, it's just text input. Okay, and a button, touchable opacity. So save this and refresh. Okay, and we got this loading and register. So let's try. And the password. Sign up. Okay, and redirect to the index page. So we go Firebase, go users, we should see the user. And log out. So for index page, go index page, we add a button, log out, handle log out, that we don't use router push. Await logout and log out from use auth. Okay. We save this and log out. That's it. So login. Sign in. Okay. Log out. That's it. So for the structure is in Firebase, we add a get auth and export the auth and go context. We import the auth and make a context. We set the listener and to on auth state change to listen for the user state change. And then we give login function, register function, and logout function. And we use this provider to wrap the entire tree in the root layout. Wrap the entire tree, and we listen for the user state change. We equals use from use auth. And if we have user, and we boolean this that is true, we go tabs. Otherwise, if no user, we go login and register. Okay, and for login and register, UI part is just text input and a button, and only this function, await register, and wait here and listen for the auth state change. If we get the user, we use layout to push to tabs, and similar with login, await login, and listen for the auth state change.